Hello, we want to introduce a new car to the channel. This is my daughter.
Hello.
And this is her first car, and so we just bought it. She just bought it, and we started looking 3 months ago and finally found this 2016 Toyota Corolla with only 60,000 miles on it. So we're so excited. Why did you end up picking this car?
Well, the car itself is really nice and clean, and everything on the inside looks nice. So.
Yeah, it's like brand new. So there was even a seat cover on the driver's seat, and so we didn't really know what was under that, and we took the seat cover off and it's like brand new. So let's show them the inside. This is a Corolla LE Plus. So it's got let's just come over here and show them the nice wheels it came with. So instead of the hubcaps, the LE Plus, I believe, added these nice wheels, which are really nice. And it has a backup camera. And it doesn't have CarPlay, but it plays the phone and the music through Bluetooth, which is really nice. And then the inside just looks like new. It's called Ash. It's like a light gray. And it's got a little blue stripe running along here, and everything just looks, even like the steering wheel, the shift knobs, everything is like brand new. It's just, we're really blessed to have found such a low mileage car. So it has the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder that all the Corollas had. I think the only one that was slightly different was the S trim. Added something where I think it has a little more horsepower or something, but all the other Corollas have this same engine, and we can show that to you real quick. So we'll be making some videos on this, but it fortunately doesn't need a lot right now. I'm going to be doing an engine air filter and a cabin air filter that they didn't do at the dealership, but this is the engine. And got a new battery, a new serpentine belt, just had an oil change. So anyway, we just wanted to show that to you. Come back over here. Really proud of my daughter. She saved up all the money waiting tables, so she did a great job. She really disciplined, really smart, and just happy for her to have gotten such a great car. So we look forward to making some videos soon.